Mathy of Mathalicious TV. If you're new here and haven't yet subscribed on my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and smash the subscribe button so that you will be updated every time I have new videos like tips and YouTube tutorial videos, unboxing, travel vlogs, random vlogs, mukbang, product reviews, current news, sports news, and also I share my experiences as a OFW here in Taiwan. Well, if you like that kind of content, please consider subscribing. Welcome back! For today's video, guys, we will be having our tour in Pasyalan.sa Taiwan, headed by one of the admins in Pasyalan.sa Taiwan, Ma'am Angel Baltimore. Okay, and this is her Facebook account. You may visit or message her if you want to join. They have their weekly tour around Taiwan. Okay, and now guys, join me as we will have our tour in Chateau De Olliere, and this is located in Nantou country, part of central Taiwan. We will tour how nice, how big the place and the casa. And by the way guys, the entrance ticket of this Chateau De Olliere in Nantou country is 150 NT. The children has a discount if he or she is 100 centimeter below. The fee will return as a voucher that can be used to buy other stuff in the restaurant, because they have their restaurant wherein you can buy their foods as well. I'm so excited to share to you. Join me as we have our tour. Please stay tuned and I will update you later.
moments later.
And that's the end of our video, of our tour. I hope you like watching our videos, and I hope you can also visit this nice and big area of Chateau De Olliere in Nantou country, Taiwan. And if you will visit there, you feel that you are in Europe, guys. The nice castle. They have also a hotel if you want to stay there overnight. So you will have to book ahead of time, okay? So that you can roam around the place. If you want to visit Taiwan, don't miss up to visit this Chateau De Olliere. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for always supporting my channel, Mathalicious TV. We are already 3,800 plus subscribers. And you guys, without your support, I cannot have this number of subscribers as well, okay? And I hope you will continue supporting my channel by smashing the subscribe button. In that way, you are the one who helped my channel grow. This is Mathy of Mathalicious TV, saying each of us has its own talent. Use it, share it, and God will multiply it. Have a blessed day. Keep safe always. See you on my next video. Say Chen!